Hello, this is Ziyin Chen. Let me explain how I did the edit function in my creative work. So I created a new page, editpage.js, in the view page folder. And in this page is quite similar to the thread page, except for I modified it to make it be more appropriate for edition. I added the buttons: post modified thread, go to home page, and delete thread. These first of all, the edit button, they are added only when the current user is the same as the posted the thread's author, and this function is enforced in the home page. In the home page, there is an area say only if the thread's email is the same as the current user's email address, then we'll add a button which says edit. And in the edit button, edit page, I added several event listeners that correspond to these buttons. For the post modified thread, I have the event listener here. So this is the event listener, and after I get new content, I push it onto the Firestore. I update it, and to delete the thread, I either click yes delete or no go back, and there are two listeners attached to it. If I want to delete it, then I will go to Firestore to delete the thread, and this function is defined in the Firestore controller. If I don't want to delete it, then nothing happens. I just disable the modal. In Firestore Firebase controller, I defined the delete thread and delete messages. So when I delete it, everything including the thread and the attached messages will be deleted from the Firestore. That's it.